Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome.
That decision is really putting a lot of trust in your bowlers doing a clinical job early on. The expectation is the pitch will have some movement as the day progresses, but will too many runs be scored before that?
Good, the spinner coming into the attack. Misses everything.
Lovely.
Surely that's got to be called a wide. It's completely out of reach.
Oh, that's a great ball.
That's wild. Nothing elegant about that shot. Just not timing it at all. It's poor play.
Edge. Amazing delivery.
Just can't seem to get the ball away. That's the third dot.
Yep.
Edge. What a ball.
To the bowler.
A couple on offer here. Time to keep the pressure on now. Great last ball to find the edge. It's just a case of finding the same spot. Massive edge.
Just threw the shot too early.
A wonderful delivery to get the edge. You've got to keep hammering away at that spot time and again. Wow, that's missed the lot.
Well, they never really got in the right position for the...
Good to finish this innings. Couldn't get it through the field.
No runs on that occasion. Got into position nicely, just too early on the shot. Couldn't find a gap.
Yep.
Times it nicely.
Onto the front foot early, placed it perfectly into the gap. Timed it nicely for 4 more.
Waiting. Yep.
Edge, unplayable. There'll be 1 run here for them. Brilliant bowling. Having got the edge the previous ball, they now know the areas they need to be hitting. Down the wicket, misses.
Nice one.
I'd say it was the right shot to choose, but it was just timed badly. Just couldn't get the drive away.
Edged it. 5 runs in that over. The Carvers are none for 165. And that's the end of the innings. The Carvers have set a target. Good comes out to bat in a bit of form, but it'll be interesting to see how they go today. The right-arm medium bowler is coming into the attack from the university end.
Yes.
Finds the fielder with that shot.
Got forward well and was able to drive the ball.
Richardson back on now.
Into the attack for the Chennai Carvers.
Drives and misses everything.
Richardson with a superb delivery. Got them trying to drive, but messing everything up.
Yep.
That's off the middle of the bat.
It was just a little bit too full, and it was beautifully timed.
Do they go full? Do they go short? A lot to ponder after the boundary.
Yes.
Exquisitely done on the front foot, a gorgeous...
The right-arm pace bowler is coming into the attack from the press box end. Beaten on the drive.
Tried to get the drive away, timed it poorly, lucky to survive. That's a much better directed short ball. Didn't quite manage to get the bat in position. It's through to the keeper. That's the one bouncer for the over.
Oh, nice bowling.
A little late on that, no run scored.
Yep.
Big edge. Where's that going?
Nearly got through them. Just got onto it in time with enough bat speed to pick up 4.
That's really high. Don't think anyone is close.
Found the gap with ease. Wasn't the worst ball you'll see, but it still raced to the rope.
Yes.
Out. Caught.
The first wicket is down, back to the pavilion, and
Well, you never knew which way this game was going. A great finish to a super match. That had every...